Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for watching today. So today I am doing a puddle swipe. And this first color is Boom Gel Stain, Pearlescent Charcoal. Beautiful, beautiful color. I love the Boom Gel Stain. My second color here is Deco Art's 24 Karat Gold. This is Liquitex Burnt Umber. I will be doing a swipe with my Australian floetrol over these colors. And oh my goodness, the end result is absolutely fabulous. This is Pebio's Buff Titanium. I found that it added a beautiful contrast to the shimmering colors that I have in here, like this Rich Espresso by Deco Art. I do have dried results at the very end, so be sure to stay tuned for those. Here I'm just filling in the rest of my spaces, getting ready to do my swipe. And one of the things that I like to do is just to incorporate the puddles. I do like the blocks of color, but I don't like it too much. I love just running my mixing stick through all the colors. And then I torch to pop any air bubbles that I have. So my Amsterdam Oxide Black, there's 1 part and 3 parts Australian floetrol. And I use my cake spreader, cake icer, cake knife, whatever you want to call it. It's perfect for the size canvas. And I really wanted to try and keep my swipes vertical from the short side to the short side. If that made any sense whatsoever. The lacing was absolutely beautiful before I tilted it, and I apologize that this isn't in the greatest of focus, but I wanted to show the lacing before I stretched it out. I do come back in after I stretch this out to add in a little bit of the tighter lacing again, which I love to do. I love both the stretched out and the tighter lacing. The contrast of each just looks really, really beautiful. It adds some interest as well. And so here I am tilting. All right, it's close-up time. These are the wet results up first. Like I said, I do have dried results coming up next, so be sure to stick around for those. I love how much this looks like. It reminds me of chocolate and caramel on top of ice cream. How yummy is that? This is definitely one of my favorite pieces. It's a 10 by 20 canvas, so it's on the smaller side, but I just love the neutral colors, the browns with the gray, and it just, Like I said, it reminds me of chocolate and caramel on top of vanilla ice cream. If you have watched this far, I would love if you would leave me some orange hearts down in the comments and let me know what you think of this piece. Okay, here is this piece. Oop, I lose my balance. Let's start down here. I love that charcoal. What is that? Boom gel stain. And the gold, the shimmer is so pretty. I have my flash on, so just to sort of give you an idea how, look at that shimmer. So pretty. I love this piece. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love how it turned out. Some great spots. I don't even know what my favorite spot is. There's just so many on this one. I don't have a lot of the boom gel stain left in this charcoal, but definitely think I'm going to be using it again. I do kind of like that spot right there. I came back in and did some of that tighter lacing after I stretched it out. Same with right in there. I love that spot, how it really incorporates. You can see the matte versus the shimmer. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, everyone. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.